Major legal standoff has resurfaced between trading giant Jane Street and market regulator SEBI, with Jane Street accusing SEBI of withholding vital evidence and denying a fair hearing in its ongoing probe. My colleague Charu here is with more details.
So high-frequency trading firm Jane Street related firms and Jane Street itself has gotten out and approached the Securities and Appellate Tribunal. What they are challenging is the SEBI order that had come a few months back, asking them about, submitting thousands of crore rupees in an escrow account. Now, as per the documents that NDTV Profit has reviewed, which include the grounds on the basis of which appeal has been filed against the order, mentioned that Jane Street had asked the regulator to give them information and access to certain documents that form the core of the order that was passed against the Jane Street entities. These included correspondence with the National Stock Exchange and also some other transaction related and several other details. However, when these documents that were claimed to have been asked from the regulator by the entities were not given to them, they went ahead with the appeal. Now, we must also understand that Jane Street itself has agreed in its appeal documents that it was going to be getting a hearing on September 8th and 12th with the higher officials of the market regulator, Securities and Exchange Board of India. However, it has gone ahead with the appeal and has said that in the in a manner that should be fair and transparent and more fair and in the in alignment with natural justice principles, Jane Street should get access to these documents and has appealed against the SEBI order.
Thanks for that, Charu. Moving on to what's happening internationally. After the recent SEO summit, India, Russia and China showcased strengthened strategic and economic cooperation. India and Russia signed $100 billion worth of energy deals, including long-term oil and gas agreements and joint infrastructure projects. China pushed for expanded trade corridors and security collaborations within the SEO framework. But the US remained notably silent, with President Trump yet to comment on the summit or shifting geopolitical alliances in Asia.